Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're staying safe. The summer is here, looking gorgeous and everything. You're welcome back once again to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. For the returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. And for the new ones, come and join us in this beautiful and lovely family. Here we learn a lot. As you can see, today's project is going to be on how to make a lovely headband, just like what I'm wearing. Here in my channel, we recycle every bit of everything that we have. So the leftover fabric that I use in making the paper pants, I use it to make this little headband. So this time I'm going to be using this particular headband that I bought for a different project to work with the satin fabric. Alright guys, let's get started. So I have my thread here, I have my scissors and my tape measurement. I'm going to be working with the length of 45 inches for the headband. Remember, the more volume you want, the longer the fabric and the wider the fabric as well. So I want a big volume, that's why I'm going with 45 inches. And the width here is 12 inches. If you want it bigger than that, you can still go ahead to add maybe 16 or even 20, but that might be too big. So I'm going to fold the fabric into two and fold it again into two. And I'm going to mark 1 inch upward and 7 inches downward. Let me use my tape to mark it so you can have a clearer understanding. So I'm marking 1 inch upward and I'm going to mark 7 inches downward, and I'm going to slant it. The reason why I'm doing that is that the crown of the headband is bigger and the side is smaller, so the big side is going to be at the center. Remember to notch it when you're cutting yours so you don't make mistake. And when you're sewing, you have to start from the crown. So I'm going to be wrapping the headband with this fabric. Before then, let me show you the glue gun. Some people prefer to use glue gun, but I'm going to be using thread and needle to wrap my headband. So the length of the headband is 18 inches. And the pieces or the fabric I'm going to be using is about, the width is 5 and the length is, I'm making it 20 to be on the saver side. So I'm still going to fold it again like you can see, and I'm going to slant it. So I'm using my pin now to secure it because it's satin, so I don't want it to move. So I'm going to use my ruler right away and score it again, and I'm going to be slanting it from there. As you can see, the bigger size is for the crown, so I'm going to snip it in order to know exactly where the center is. Place the headband at the center where you notch and nicely fold in the fabric to cover the headband. Use your pin and secure it nicely. After doing that, use your thread and needle, or you can use your pin to secure the fabric to the headband. The reason why this worked for me is because this headband had foam already, so it was easy for me to pin it all around. Otherwise, you can do any alternative way that works for you. All you have to do is just to have fun and do it. If it doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and watch the video over and over again in order to get it. But this is very easy, you can get it. So I'm trying to secure the center. You start at the center and work from one end to the other end. So to get it right, you have to just keep turning because the headband is not straight. So it's a curved line. You have to be patient and just have fun working on your headband. At the end of the day, you'll be so happy that you did it. And I must tell you, I had fun doing it. I'm always having fun doing my job. And if you want to be part of this community project, please kindly subscribe, like my channel, and share the video. It doesn't really take anything. It's one way of supporting someone. It's another way of supporting me and telling me well done for this good job. And my intention for this project is just to bring craft, a way of family bonding to each home. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more of the tutorial that I have. And without talking so much, I'm going to leave you to just watch me do. And if I need to explain any other thing, I'm going to do. Yay, we are almost there. It's looking really gorgeous and very flat, as you can see, despite the fact that I'm using thread and needle. So at the end here, I have excess fabric. I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to tidy up the edge. So just watch me closely as I'm fixing the end of the headband. So I'm going to cut off the end of the excess fabric and I'm going to tidy up. So all you need is just to fix your eyes here and don't take your eyes off it. If you do, you're gonna miss it. So I don't want you to miss it. I'm going to take my time and show you exactly what I'm doing. It's quite easy, very simple. So you can sit down, have fun doing it with your family during this period or during the holiday. It's really a nice project and you will love it. So now it's looking good and it's ready without much ruffles. So I'm hiding the thread. Nice. This is gorgeous. So I'm wearing it on the mannequin so you can see how it looks. I just thought I should show you guys the one that I made earlier. So I'm going to be rocking it with my paper pant one of these days. So I'm going to be making the ruffle now. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and sew it all over, and I'm going to be leaving a little space where I'm going to be pulling out the right side of the fabric out. So I'm going to go ahead and use this little fabric. You can use 1 inch, you can use 2 inches to pull out the ruffle. If you're working with elastic, you can just use your elastic to pull it out, or you can use your thread and needle to make gathers and pull it out as well. So the ruffle is out and it's looking nice and gorgeous. So I'm going to be attaching this to the headband. I'm trying to make sure I have the center. So secure the center of the headband to the ruffle and pin the side. But at this point, I don't want this side to be up to my ears. So what I'm doing is, this is a little above my ears. So I'm going to secure it with a pin just like I have done. And I'm going to start tacking it. So all you need to do is just to tack. And be careful not to reveal the pin. So let the pin go under the ruffle. At this point, I'm done basting the ruffle to the headband, and what I'm going to be doing next is to cut off the end of the band. So I'm using my pin to secure it and to make sure it doesn't slip off. So I'm going to cut the excess out, and I'm going to be tucking in the rough edges. As you can see, I'm tucking it in. So I'm going to still use my pin to secure it nicely. This is my second one anyway, so I'm sure the third one is going to be better than this, even though this is nice and lovely. I love it. So that is done and it's looking gorgeous. But what I will advise you is to add a little bit of interfacing, the soft one if you are using satin, in order to have a little bit of body. And so at this point, I can reveal the gorgeous headband. It's looking yum and cool. Wow! Very beautiful for the weather. And it's looking so full. I like the fact that it's very full at the center. And if I have added a little bit of interfacing, then it would have given me more body than that. But otherwise, it's looking gorgeous. I love it. This is yum. Please subscribe, like, and share, and give me thumbs up, most importantly. Yes. And if you like my project, please you can place order for this particular headband, and all my other tutorial projects are all for sale. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and give me thumbs up. This is the paper pants that I made, and I made the headband as well. So it's going for sale. Everything is on sale. So just place your order and give me a call, and I can make yours for you if you send me your fabric. Remember to love yourself and keep loving God, and see you some other time. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.